Alright, Volcanoes. Number 9. Go.
Okay, you're recording?
Yup. Yes.
I will.
Oh my god.
Let me guess, it's time to run up the lava park right towards the center.
Damn it.
Wow. Why'd you do that?
I don't know, I didn't even see it coming.
That's what she said.
Made no sense. Dun-na-na. Wow, holy shit. My god. Okay, this is kind of long.
Damn it!
Whoa!
What happens if we both die at the same time?
It draw. But yeah, that was a long one.
Yeah. This is tasty.
And this is delicious.
Eggnog is very delicious.
Na-na-na, na-na.
We shall suffer and die.
Holy crap, I didn't even know that I had that power up. Bam! Holy shit. That was close as hell. And that was gay as hell.
Father! These mosquitoes.
Really bomb? Nah. Ding.
The massive California is up on orange.
Holy shit. But
Marijuana is now legal. Legal.
Lego. Goodbye. Yeah.
I saw that coming. Hey, don't
No.
the next one's gonna win.
And By the way, I changed my catchphrases.
You did, for the last time, you did not create that word. That word already existed.
That was mine, but okay.
Wait, what? What's going on? Oh,
Wait, what power up did you get to do that?
I have no idea.
Okay, well that'll be useful to know when it's online.
You got really lucky there.
Yup.
Hey, wait, dude.
What?
Look at me in the background. The second one to the right in the green. Doesn't that look like Dr. House?
Where?
The almost to the very right. He's got the afro.
Maybe a little.